STM Beauty here with another video. So today's video is going to be about the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation. So yes, let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, lashes are done, brows are done, eyeshadow is done. So we're just going to go straight into the Superstay Foundation. So I am using shade 334 and 355. So this is why I'm going to combine these two together and apply it on my face. I am going to go in with the Maybelline Master Prime Studio Primer. Now that the primer is added to my face, now I'm going to go in with the foundation. So let me go ahead. Always shake your foundation before you use it so you could get the full effect of the foundation. It does have a pump. Always great. Okay. So I did 2 pumps. It's very thick. It's not runny. Let's try the other one. I did 2 pump also on the other one. I'm not going to be using so much, but I have to put equal amount. I feel like equal amount will work perfect. Okay, so this is the shade I got once I mix it. As you can tell, the 355 is very overpowering, so I'm going to add some more of the, like one more pump of the 334. Now this is not too bad. I can definitely work with this tone. So let me go ahead and add it to my skin. Oh, and I just want to add, I'm using these brushes by Juno and Company. I bought these off Amazon. Before I go ahead and add the foundation, yes, I did put the primer on, but I like to just kind of soften up my face, you know, just add. I don't like to go in too heavy with my foundation, so I'm just trying to take my time here. So this is the side with the foundation and the side without the foundation. Alright, so I'm going to apply the rest of the foundation all over my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied all over my face. I still have a lot more left and it's actually drying down on the back of my hand. Someone will say it's hard to tell if it dries down to another shade, but it actually does. When it dries down, it doesn't stay true to the color that's in the bottle. It does dry down to a darker shade. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and just finish up the whole face. I will be using some other Maybelline product, such as the, it's a powder foundation, but I think I'm going to use this to bronze up my skin. And then I'm going to actually use this one to all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with the Master Chrome. If you don't have this, I don't know. I don't care what year, what century you're in. This should be in your kit. It's a must-have. That's what I'm trying to say to you. Alright, so why don't I just go ahead and finish up my whole face, and then I will get back with you guys and give you my final review on the foundation. Alright guys, so face is snatched to the gourds. Alright, so let's just give a quick review of this foundation. Alright, first let's read the claims on this foundation, right? I use shade 355, which is Coconut, and 334, which is Warm Sun. Warm Sun. It says it's full coverage, 24-hour wear, transfer resistance, seamless matte finish, breathable, comfortable, because I can't say that word, I'm saying it fast. Fade and transfer resistant, I think I said that. Oil free, doesn't clog, dermatologist tested. Claim number 1 mentioned full coverage. It is full coverage. Claim number 2, 24-hour wear. I can't tell you the truth about that because I have not been wearing it for 24 hours. Seamless matte finish. True word. It's definitely matte and it's seamlessly laid on my face. Transfer resistant. Oh, my color tells the truth. It doesn't resist. It does transfer. I think it has a lot to do with just make sure you add a good setting spray on your face and just make sure that thing dries down before you go hugging anyone. Oil free. That's a truth because this is definitely mattifying. Now, if you're an extremely dry person and it doesn't even matter if, oil just doesn't peek through your face as much, then I would not recommend this foundation to you at all. But for the oily people, normal to oily skin people like me, you will love this foundation. Yes, so for highlight, like I went in with the Master Chrome OG. And for bronzing, I did use this, and this is number 375 in Superstay. And my all over powder, I went in with number 95 Coconut. And for the brushes, like I had mentioned from for Juno and Company, I do recommend these brushes, especially if you're a beginner. So yeah, the brushes they're really nice. They're soft and it gets the job done. Oh, for my lip, I am wearing this Maybelline matte ink. It's number 75 Fighter. This is what that is. That's Fighter. Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in with my video. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. I will see you in the next video.